Hello Dnation and welcome to the Diecast Motorcycle Week series. In today's episode, we are going to be taking a look at my top 6 favorite 118 scale Suzuki motorcycle replicas and showcase them in this Diecast Bike Week episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, I really love the Bike Week that takes place annually all over the world, where biker communities gather together as one to showcase their beautiful rides and also to enjoy and appreciate these beautiful pieces of art on two wheels. And as a Diecast motorcycle collector, I came up with the concept to kickstart a Bike Week series for my 118 scale Diecast motorcycles, where I will dedicate an episode to one motorcycle brand and feature my top 6 favorite motorcycle replicas from my collection. So today's Bike Week episode is dedicated to Suzuki motorcycles and all you Suzuki fanatics out there. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's Suzuki motorcycle lineup and get this Diecast Bike Week episode started. And a quick disclaimer before we get started. I am not sponsored by any of the brands featured in today's video, and I'm doing this solely out of passion for my hobby and my love for motorcycles. And on the same note, none of today's featured motorcycles are ranked in any particular order based on looks or performance and are my personal favorites from my collection for today's featured brand. But if you choose to, feel free to rank them and let me know what you think in the comments below. So let's begin today's Suzuki Diecast motorcycle lineup with the Suzuki GSX R600, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Suzuki GSX R600 is a sports bike that was launched with a water-cooled 599cc inline-4 engine. The first model had the same body specifications as the 1992 GSX R750 with a smaller engine and carried over through the 1993 model year with no changes. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Suzuki diecast beauty. Next up is the Suzuki GSX R750, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Bburago. The Suzuki GSX R750 is a family of the 750cc sports motorcycles from Suzuki's GSX R series of motorcycles. Looking like a Suzuki endurance racer, it can be considered to be the first affordable modern racer replica suitable for road use. It was introduced at the Cologne Motorcycle Show in October 1984. So let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing Suzuki GSX R750. What we're looking at now is the Suzuki SV 650S, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Suzuki SV 650 and variants are street motorcycles manufactured since 1999 for the international market by the Suzuki Motor Corporation, featuring a mid-size V-twin engine and medium performance components. In 2009, Suzuki replaced the naked SV 650 with the SFV 650 Gladius. In 2016, the Gladius name was discontinued and the 2017 model was reverted to SV 650. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome Suzuki replica. Up next is the Suzuki GSX R750, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Suzuki GSX R750 is from the family of the 750cc sports motorcycles from Suzuki's GSX R series of motorcycles. Looking like a Suzuki endurance racer, it can be considered to be the first affordable modern racer replica suitable for road use. It was introduced at the Cologne Motorcycle Show in October 1984. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this Suzuki GSX R750 replica. Off-roading in next is the Suzuki RM Z250, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Bburago. The RM series is a model range of two-stroke motorcycles manufactured by Suzuki. The letters RM stand for racing model, and the motorcycles produced with this prefix in their model names are suitable to use in motocross racing. The first in the range was introduced in 1975 with the RM 125M. The RM250 was discontinued by the 2009 model year. This may possibly be related to change class structure. From 1999 to 2004, changes to the RM250 made 15 more stock horsepower and a lower seat height. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Suzuki RM Z250 motocross replica. And finally, we have the Suzuki GSX R1000, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Suzuki GSX R1000 is a sports bike from Suzuki's GSX R series of motorcycles. It was introduced in 2001 to replace the GSX R1100 and is powered by a liquid-cooled 988cc inline 4-cylinder 4-stroke engine. For 2001, Suzuki introduced a new Suzuki GSX R model that replaced the larger and most powerful model of the GSX R series sports bike, the GSX R R1100 with the all-new GSX R1000. And with that out of the way, now let's place these diecast beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And in case you are interested, kindly find further features and specifications regarding these amazing Suzuki diecast motorcycle replicas in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these amazing Suzuki Diecast Motorcycle replicas. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Suzuki Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational corporation headquartered in Minamiku, Hamamatsu. Suzuki manufactures automobiles, four-wheel drive vehicles, motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, outboard marine engines, wheelchairs, and a variety of other small internal combustion engines. In 2016, Suzuki was the 11th biggest automaker by production worldwide. Suzuki has over 45,000 employees and has 35 production facilities in 23 countries and 133 distributors in 192 countries. The worldwide sales volume of automobiles is the world's 10th largest, while Suzuki's domestic motorcycle sales volume is the third largest in Japan. And for further information on Suzuki motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale Diecast Motorcycle episodes and the Diecast Bike Week episodes in the playlist below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale Suzuki Diecast Motorcycle replicas, I drop the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on these amazing Diecast Motorcycle replicas. And this brings us to the end of this amazing Diecast Motorcycle Week Suzuki episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.